Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We live in a beautiful community here in Surprise, Arizona called Sierra, Montana. So if you live here, you can come check out all of the great parks that me and Zena like to enjoy. And today we are at what we call the Blue Park, and they have these things that are meant for exercise. So today, just for fun, me and Zena thought it might be fun to try them out. I've never tried them before, but let's get into it, I guess. Okay, so this stuff is called Exercraft, and this one that we're gonna do first is a sit-up crunch Exercraft. This equipment is designed for one user only. Okay, this is what it looks like. So according to the picture, you put your legs over the top bar, under the bottom bar, and then you just lay back and sit up. I'm gonna try this with Zena on. She's only like 4 pounds, so can't imagine that's gonna do a crazy lot to me. Okay, so then you just lay back like this and sit forward. And then this just kind of helps you so that you don't fall off or get disoriented maybe? Not really sure what this is for. I don't know if, I think your feet are supposed to stay right there, because in the picture it only shows her back moving. So let's try it like that. Keep our feet there. Ooh, that feels weird. Whoa, that is pretty fun. I feel like I could actually get a good workout on that. Okay, we're gonna do exactly what the picture says. Hands back, feet there. Zena, you're doing sit-up crunches. You're doing crunches. That's pretty good. I am shocked that it actually, I mean, I feel like I'm starting to get sweaty. I could actually work out on these. Let's try the next one. Okay, this one seems pretty self-explanatory. Exercraft Step Up Stretch Exercraft. So from the pictures, looks like when they're stepping, they're actually stepping like this way. So 1, 2, then you can try the next one. Or you can just do this too. Some of these you can kind of make it your own thing. Then you can step up there. Then this one shows almost like a, I think that might be called a lunge. So if you have one foot down here, probably this foot, and then you can come in and do a, ooh, that feels really good. Do a lunge kind of situation, just like that photograph shows. Okay. So if you wanted to do it this way, this picture is kind of confusing when you're stepping this way. So the one guy is actually grabbing onto it. So I think you can kind of do this. And then maybe do the other leg. This one. And then in the other photo, like we just did, it shows kind of like a lunge situation. Well, this one's not getting me as like workouty feeling as the sit-up punch one did, but this is kind of fun. I don't know, it might work out your legs and stuff doing this. I think Zena's having fun too. Let's try the next one. Okay, this Exercraft is called the Torso Twist. So you put one hand on each of these bars, and then you just step onto this, and you just twisty, twisty, twist. What do you think, Zena? So put both your hands on here firmly. You don't want to fall off. Put up your feet. And then you're just going to twisty, twisty, twist. This one is fun. Now this says Exercraft equipment is designed for use by adults. This equipment may also be used by children 14 years of age or older, or by individuals with an overall height greater than 4 foot 7 inches with close adult supervision. So I mean, if you were shorter, it would still work because these go down pretty far. Let's try the next one. Now this is the last thing that's actually labeled as an Exercraft equipment. So this is the chest press. So I think it's pretty similar to a normal chest press that you would see at like a Planet Fitness or a Mountainside Fitness. So you just sit there and then you push this way. Obviously you can't adjust the weight. Looks like maybe this is adjustable somehow. Looks like it, I don't know. I'm not gonna mess with it. We're just gonna sit down and try it. So you just sit back. Oh, it does your own weight. Pretty squeaky. Now I'm using the bottom bars, so let's see what happens if I try the top ones. Okay, I feel like that's a little bit more difficult. I don't know if it should be or not. That one's hard for me, but I mean, it's still fun. I mean, you can come out here and exercise in the wilderness. Now this one's not labeled anything cool or has a cool name, so I think it's just a normal monkey bars. I think I'm too tall to do this. Yeah, that was an epic fail. Then the only other things that are here is the swing set. But yeah, that was pretty fun actually. I mean, if you live in Sierra, Montana and by the Blue Park, even if you don't live by the Blue Park, we don't, you should ride your bike or walk up here and try out these Exercraft little pieces of exercise equipment. I think they're really fun. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory to use. I do feel like, I mean, I'm not muscular or strong by any means, but I feel like I got in a little workout right there. That was pretty fun. Zena, what did you think? What was your favorite? I think my favorite was the sit-up crunch. I mean, I don't know. I just feel like I got the most out of that one. And now we get to end our workout with me and Zena's favorite thing to do at the park, and that is to swing. I am definitely going to be getting on the internet. Not that I'm going to buy one of these pieces, but I'm sure that you could buy one if you wanted one in your own yard. I'm sure they are pretty expensive though. Overall, they were super fun to use, super self-explanatory. You definitely need to come check them out, or just check out Exercraft, see if maybe you can buy one, I don't know. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.